The International Mathematical Olympiad IMO is one of the toughest math exam in the world. At IMO 2025, an experimental AI model achieved gold medal level performance by solving complex problems that researchers thought would take years for AI to master. IMO, the toughest math competition, was launched in 1959 in Romania. It has since become the gold standard for testing mathematical genius among high school students worldwide. In this contest, over 2 intense days, participants face a grilling 4.5 hour exam with only 3 questions each day. These are not your average exam questions. They require deep logic, creativity, and strong problem solving stamina. At the 66th IMO 2025, held at Sunshine Coast, Australia, OpenAI's model correctly solved 5 out of 6 questions under the same testing conditions as human competitors. The experts were doubtful about such performance of AI around the globe. Even renowned mathematician Terence Tao and IMO gold medalist himself had doubts. In a podcast in June, he suggested that AI wasn't yet ready for the IMO level and should try simpler math contest first. But OpenAI has now proven otherwise. Normally, AI models work in a fraction of seconds, whereas this OpenAI experimental AI model thinks for a long time, like minutes for deep research. This achievement by AI model reflects on how fast AI progress has been, especially in math. In year 2024, AI models were being tested on basic or grade school level math problems from GSM 8K, which stands for Grade School Math 8K, a dataset of 8,500 high quality grade school math problems. After that, AI became good enough to handle high school level math problems measured by a test called Math Benchmark. Then AI advanced further to solve problems from AIME, American International Mathematics Examination, which is a more challenging math contest of high school students. And now AI can solve math problems at the level of IMO, specifically at the level of a gold medalist, which is the highest achievement in the competition. So, overall, it shows that in just a short time, AI has gone from handling simple math to being capable of solving some of the most difficult math problems in the world, like a top student. This isn't just about maths. OpenAI says this shows their AI model is breaking new ground in general purpose reasoning. Unlike Google DeepMind's AlphaGeometry, built just for geometry, OpenAI's model is a general large language model LLM that happens to be great at maths too. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman said, "This advanced AI is like a dream come true and shows how much AI has improved in the last decade." But don't get too excited yet. This powerful AI won't be available to the public for a while. Altman said it will still be many months before it's released. If you find this video interesting, please like it and subscribe YouTube channel Phizifer. Thank you for watching.